Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very fun, very summery video for you. Yesterday I did quite a bit of damage. We are going to the beach tomorrow and I bought some new swimsuits and I'm really excited to show you guys what I got. The swimsuits that I currently have, I don't think I've got any new ones in like 2 years. So I've just been using the same 2 swimsuits for 2 years. So I wanted to get some new ones, so let's just go ahead and get into the video and I will show you guys what I got. So most of these swimsuits I actually got from Walmart. Honestly, it was kind of surprising how many cute swimsuits Walmart had because I went to Target, Kohl's, JCPenney, Dillard's, Walmart, and basically I got everything except for like one thing from Walmart. So yeah, most of this is gonna be from Walmart, and then I got one thing from Dillard's. So let me just go ahead and show you what I got from Walmart because I got all that stuff first. First thing that I got was this adorable bottom. It's purple. It has like, I don't know if you can really see that very well on camera, but it's like, not, sheer is not the word, but like cutouts. It has like a cutout. Super cute. And the embroidered flowers are what really sold me on this one. I think that is just honestly the cutest thing. And then I got kind of like a matching top. Not really, because the top that actually went with this I didn't like, but I found a green one that still has the embroidered flowers. So I think this one goes with the purple one. Like the flowers just kind of tie it all together. So it has this like really cute neckline, and then the back is this really pretty, almost like a crochet material. So cute. And then it has this like lacing detail down the front, but again, the embroidered flowers are what really sold me on this, and these two actually look super adorable together. So love those a lot. And this one is high-waisted, which I really like. I think that's super cute. I know that was in style like a few years ago. Don't know if that's really the trend right now, but I think it's cute. And then I also got this top, which I was like immediately sold on as soon as I saw it. I think these stripes are just so cute, and it's just super colorful, super bright, and it's just like a plain top. Nothing like fancy with the straps or the back, just a plain top with stripes. And it was really hard to find a bottom that would kind of match it. The closest that I could find was this one, but I don't really like it that much. I think I'm going to return it, but it has these like lacing details down the sides, which I'm not the biggest fan of, but yeah, so I got that. It like kind of matches it, but then I'll show you. I got one later that actually matches it. But then I got this top also from Walmart, and I love this one so much. It's just this like really pretty pink and green floral top, has like a drapey front to it. So cute. And the back is sheer, which I think is adorable. It's this like mesh material with a little bit of lacing. Super cute. But again, I couldn't find anything like any sort of bottoms that could go with it. I wanted to find something green, like an olive tone green, because that would go with both of these, but I couldn't find it. Like I said, I went to like 5 different stores. I was just looking for green bottoms, and then like maybe if I found one that was like this pink color, that would do. But then I went to Old Navy, and I'm not like the biggest fan of Old Navy, but I actually have gotten quite a few things from Old Navy lately. I think I might like Old Navy now. I'm gonna have to do some more shopping there and see what I really think. But I found this bottom. It's more high-waisted than the other one, the purple one. I think it's super cute. It's super simple. It just has these lines down the front, and I absolutely love it. So I think this would look great with this top and with this top. So yeah, I love that. I think it looks super cute. And that is everything that I got. I am so excited to go to the beach and wear these and lay out and go swimming. I love swimming. Let me know down in the comments if you actually go to the beach to swim in the ocean or if you just lay on the sand and tan, because I love swimming. I go to the beach and I'm like in the ocean the entire time. The only time that I'm actually like laying on the beach is the 20 minutes that I'm waiting for my sunscreen to set in. But then as soon as that 20 minutes is up, usually it's actually only like 10 minutes, sometimes 5. I'm up, I'm in the water. I love swimming. I try to go out as far as I can. So let me know down in the comments what you prefer. Are you Team ocean or team sand, because that's very important. I'm team ocean. And if you're team sand, we can't be friends anymore. I'm sorry. So by the time you are watching this video, I will already be at the beach, and I actually have some awesome ideas of videos that I'm going to film while I'm there. So make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss them, and also make sure that you click that notification bell so that you are notified every single time that I post a new video. I have noticed that some of my videos are not popping up in my subscriptions. You gotta actually click that bell. That is the only way that you'll see my videos, so make sure you do that, and make sure that you give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know down in the comments what other summery, beachy videos you guys want to see, and I will just see you next time. Bye!